Ayan, yan yung munggo natin, yung adobo, tsaka yung kanin niya bumalik.
Hi guys!
How are you? Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Kamusta kayong lahat dyan guys? Kamusta yung Ramadan sa mga kapatid nating Muslim? Kamusta yung fasting nyo dyan guys? Ngayon is 14th day of Ramadan na guys. So nasa kalagitnaan na tayo. Mayroon pang 16 days pa. Kaya ayan. Then so ngayon, nandito na naman tayo guys sa sasakyan kasi pupunta na naman ng trabaho. Makaka-vlog lang ako guys pag si Abu Malik ang naghahatid kasi pag sa transport, ayoko mag-vlog doon sa yung sinasakyan ko guys sa transportation ng company. Kaya ayan, ngayon is 14th day of Ramadan. Kamusta ang lahat? Kamusta ang fasting? Ayan si Abu Malik. Abu Malik.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. Happy Ramadan. Ako si Abu Malik.
Ako si Abu Malik. Sabi niya. Ngayon guys is 14th day of Ramadan. Ngayon, kanina nag-uusap kami ni Abu Malik anong lulutuin namin kasi nagpalabas ako ng manok galing freezer para malambot na pagdating ko ng hapon. Kaya yun iniisip namin kasi nga Ramadan hindi kami kumakain ng isda, seafoods guys, hindi kasi mamaya sasabihin ko kung bakit hindi kami kumakain ng isda pag Ramadan. So ngayon nag-usap kami sa manok na pinalabas ko. Sabi niya daw magluto ako ng munggo guys, Filipino food. Magulay ako mamaya. Kaya ayan, papakainin natin si Abu Malik ng munggo. Tsaka di ba may kalabasa din ako nabili nung nakarang araw. Kaya ayun guys. Lulutuin natin yun. Tsaka okra. Yung okra, kumakain naman siya ng okra kasi nga sa kanila yun man yung paborito nila. Okra, bamia tawag sa kanila.
I will ask you. Okra by Arabic what mean?
Bamia.
Bamia.
Ayun. Gusto niya daw akong tanungin about sa okra. Ano daw sa Arabic yung okra. Kaya sabi ko bamia. Kaya ayun guys, yan ang lulutuin natin mamaya guys. Manok na naman kasi walang choice. Ayaw ko din naman ng karning baka guys kasi karning baka din. Tsaka ngayong araw pala guys, mula kaninang umaga nung fajr, ang lakas ng ulan dito guys. Buti nga ngayon hindi na bumabaha dito. Kasi inayos na nila yung mga drainage. Hindi kagaya dati na kunting ulan lang guys ang taas na ng tubig kasi walang drainage. Kaya ayun, munggo ang lulutuin naman natin mamaya guys. Abu Malik, what do you think for the munggo?
I like it too much. It's nice.
It's good?
Yeah.
In Egypt there's a munggo.
Asian food, right?
Yeah, Filipino food.
Because we don't have mango in Egypt. We have adas, lobia, white beans. You saw it.
Red beans.
Red beans, yeah. But we don't have mango in Egypt. But I like too much. It's nice.
Ayan guys. Wala daw munggo sa kanila. Yun nga. Tapos nung last time na nauwi niya. Last time you bring this munggo, right?
Oh yeah.
Then they cook that.
In Egypt, but Iman Allah, but she because she don't know, she not make like you, yani. I explain, but she can't make it like you.
Ayun guys, yung kapatid niya daw nagluto. Pero iba daw ang pagluto. Kinagusto niya din naman yung munggo mula noon pa. Kaya,
You want to eat sweet today?
No.
No?
I eat the kunafa there.
Finish?
But
You have
the
one katay?
goulash, katay,
Katay.
still there. I did not eat.
Okay.
Ubo ko,
I
guys.
like that
nandun pa rin.
goulash, you know?
Mm.
I bring it today, inshallah. But I bring coconut and another one with cheese.
We have coconut there.
لا goulash. This one, the long one I buy before. Goulash.
What you bring, you said?
The goulash, you forgot this one.
Then,
Have more pistachio, coconut inside.
okay, but what you said, coconut, you bring coconut.
And another one cheese inside.
You bring?
I will buy today.
Ah.
So you will try another one.
But don't bring more.
Oh,
Ayan,
one,
guys,
one, it's okay.
bibili naman siya. Pero hindi ko na-vlog yung mga sweet na dinadala
You
niya,
what
guys.
your opinion in our sweet here now? You know more sweet now for Arab people. What's your opinion?
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
Sure? For what? Can you give me examples?
Like 8. 10 of 8 over 10.
Okay, give me names for sweet you like.
No, I don't know the name.
You know already. Give me only 2 examples.
This one.
Goulash. And another one I like too much. What's the name?
Wala pa.
And another one.
I don't know.
Had too much share I don't like. You eat but little.
Which one?
Basbousa.
Basbousa. Ayan, guys. Nakalimutan ko yung mga pangalan niya kasi yun, masasarap naman yung mga sweet nila, guys. Then also that rice with milk. That's the one I like it
nice.
also.
And had the last time you have one in fridge.
Yeah.
Muali. It's nice.
This one, what this bread? You call this one before?
Small goulash with milk, with coconut also. Muali we said. And you have put honey also. Honey bee.
Okay. It's nice.
It's nice, huh? You finish this one or we still have?
Which one?
Muali.
I still have their one.
Okay.
Maybe tonight we eat. I don't know. We'll
I will
see.
eat today inshallah.
Ayun, guys, ayun, nagsalita na naman siya. Pero hindi na natin pinaharap yung camera sa kanya. Kasi baka maudlot na naman, guys. Kaya ayun. Ops, slowly.
Sorry, don't worry.
Kaya ayun.
No one in
Ayun,
my
guys,
side.
bakit nga ba hindi kami kumakain ng isda, ng seafoods pag Ramadan? Pag fasting, guys. Hindi kami nag-iisda, guys, kasi sabi man ni Abu Malik, why Abu Malik, why we are not eating seafoods, fish?
Because in Ramadan, this one fish, you drink too much water, you feel thirsty. Not good in Ramadan, we eat in Eid, inshallah.
Okay. Ayun nga daw, guys.
Arab people stop fish in Ramadan because he need too much water. You feel thirsty during fasting. So better you eat after Ramadan.
Ayun nga, guys, sabi nga niya daw, nakakauhaw kasi nga, di ba, isda, kailangan di ba sa tubig yung naka-stay yung isda, kaya kailangan din daming tubig din yung laman yung tiyan mo. Kasi yung isda nakakainin mo, guys, lalangoy-langoy yan doon sa loob ng tiyan mo, kaya dapat kang uminom ng maraming tubig. No, that is my joke, guys. Actually, ayaw nga niya daw kasi makauhaw daw yung isda, guys. Ayan. Pero masarap, nakakamiss yung isda. Kaya ayun. Tsaka nagpaplano nga din ako na bibili kami ng air fryers. We buy air fryer.
So,
Kasi yung para naman sa mantika, guys, kasi parati ng mantika, cholesterol, may edad na tayo. We are getting old now, Ahmad, so our cholesterol should be less.
control, yeah.
Kaya ayun, guys.
This to car company.
Engine Ricky this one.
Wallah?
Ayan. Mayaman kasi yung company namin, guys, kaya daming sasakyan. And collabs.
You saw Engineer Abdulaziz?
No,
Mm.
I did not saw him. Yesterday they have meeting but I did not go down. Ayan guys, sa
This
mga
lady with you or travel now?
is with me. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa po pala nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and do like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin guys. Thank you so much. Kaya dito na kami ngayon guys. Malapit na. At kita-kita-kits tayo mamayang hapon guys. At magluluto ako ng munggo with adobo. Tingnan ko lang mamaya guys kung gagawin ko siyang adobo. Or ihalo ko na lang lahat. Kasi gusto ya din yun. Kaya ayan guys. Hanggang dito na lang yung videos natin guys. See you in the afternoon guys. See you in the afternoon guys. Ayan. Nandito na naman tayo sa kusina. Kasi magluluto tayo ngayon guys. Magluluto tayo ng munggo. Yan ang request ni Abu Malik guys. Kaya magluto tayo ng munggo. Ayan. Naka-prepare na ako guys. Bali, mag-i-start na ako magluto. Kaya abangan nyo guys. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yung luto kong munggo. Yan ang request na bumalik. Tsaka adobo. Adobong manok na naman yung partner guys. Ayan, naglagan ako ng munggo. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan na guys yung adobo natin. Start na ako magluto. Tapos yung munggo ko muna yung nilaga guys. Kaya ayan. Ngayon magluluto na tayo ng munggo guys. Ayan na guys yung munggo natin. Ang nilagay ko guys, kalabasa tsaka yung cabbage lang guys. Kasi yan lang naman ang gulay ko dito. Hindi ko na nilagay yung okra. Parang hindi naman yun ata pwede dito sa munggo yung okra. Kaya ayan lang. Yung sayote, hindi ko rin nilagay guys. Tsaka ito na yung adobo natin. Ayan, ang adobo. Ayan. Hindi pa luto yan. Kalalagay ko pa lang ng cabbage guys. Kaya abangan natin mamaya. Ayan guys. Luto na yung munggo natin guys. Na may kalabasa. Yung adobo natin. Ayan na guys. Naka-prepare na ako guys. Kasi malapit ng kainan. Ayan. Yan yung kanin ni Abu Malik. May pasta yan guys. Ayan na yung adobo natin guys. Tsaka yung munggo.
Mama, I'm finished, Mama. I'm finished.
Ayan guys. Kasi ayan guys. Nakapag-prepare na tayo. Ayan. Yan yung munggo natin. Yung adobo. Tsaka yung kanin ni Abu Malik. Ayan guys, yan yung dried fruits. Kanin. Yan yung caramel guys. At nagawa rin ako ng cucumber. Kaya ayan guys. That's it guys. Kainan na.